Hello all of you, welcome to my channel Basaroj Village channel at Dharwad, Karnataka. So at the time of lockdown there is only freight corridor. I am at Karkop railway station nearby Dharwad, just 5 km from the Dharwad. Only freight couriers are running here, and electrification already almost all done. 99% electrification has been done, and doubling also done. And also I video uploading this video for a long time because due to the lockdown. Now also I am in lockdown, home quarantine, you may say it. This is Mugud old railway station. It is built in British era, so now it is abandoned actually. Abandoned, and the new one was already constructed there. Here it is Mugud old railway station. When I was kid, that time only it is Bangalore Mail and Kittur Express. Some 3 to 4 trains are running the whole day. Here it is Mugud abandoned one. It is Mugud railway station. So this is what the station master room and ticket counter, everything. Then this is a platform, old platform. Now it is totally abandoned. So I have been here. Here it is old station master room and everything, quarters, some quarters are there. Then there is a water and everything. Now it is latest. So new line has been constructed and established, broad gauge line here. So in 93 it was broad gauge has been commissioned here. So this is now it is again electrified, and all the doubling has been completed because there's more traffic here in this side. That is traffic means goods freight are coming from Goa, iron ore, everything. So all are the, see now you see all latest update. The electrification has been maximum complete. More than 99% has been completed. So this is what developed. I am now 59, 60 years plus, 60 plus years. So I had seen so many old trains here, steam engine. I am from steam engine era. So this is old station when steam engine are running here. Some local trains and Bangalore Mail that time. Somebody has been know who are from 70s. They can know that Bangalore Mail and Kittur Express, which are famous from this side. Now Kittur Express itself is converted into Chennamba Express. Here is electrification stop and overhead. That heavy gauge and latest rail tracks had been placed, and is electrification. Maximum has been completed. So now it is Dharwad and Hubli city are very well developed due to this connectivity and transportation, and they are all latest one. So I feel because this old station, it means I was one kid. We are going to Mumbai, or now it is Mumbai. Actually that time it was Bombay. So Bangalore Mail meter is running between Bangalore and Pune. Then onwards it was up to Miraj. Now is a totally direct train from Mumbai to Bangalore, Dharwad, Hubli, everything. So good to see development here. Very good. And maximum advanced technology are adapted here. Next generation will be advanced, technified, or technologically very sound. And here it is Mugud new railway station, updated railway station with for broad gauge with 4 tracks here, 2 for platform number 1 and 2, and 2 for bypassing. Initially it was there is only one line, single line meter gauge when I was kid. Now it is totally updated. Here is a Mugud railway station with electrified, and doubling has been completed. 70% doubling has been completed. Only electrification, that inspection is awaited. So this is the Mugud railway station. So you can imagine, so what is the development, latest development between Dharwad Hubli. So actually it is an industrial corridor now. Initially it was only for education purpose. Nowadays it is almost all everything. All the aspect has been established. One Tata company has been here running. Tata Hitachi. Then another one, Tata Marco Polo also is manufacturing hub is there. Automobile. So feel good of this development, latest development. Because when I was kid, I had not imagined that once in a while Dharwad Hubli may be developing in this stage. Or I have not expected this much of technology had been advancing in Dharwad. So we feel very good because we are initially running by meter gauge trains at a single line. Now it is 4 line. Can imagine what is the development. Very good development here. So many trains are running here. Due to the lockdown, there is no passenger trains. Only 5 trains are running here between Dharwad Hubli. Because in Hubli also having the bypass from Amargol to Hebsur directly, there is no congestion traffic in the